I chose to enroll in Tufts for a multitude of reasons. The first and most important reason for me was the feeling I got when I interviewed here. I instantly felt at home. Dean Gonthier came in and was full of energy and was just so happy to be here as a dean, and that made everyone sitting around the table full of energy and want to come here also. Tufts has a wonderful reputation in the clinic, and for a couple years when I was in high school and during the summers when I was in Maine, I assisted for a Tufts alum. And he was a young Tufts alum, but the work that he did was unbelievable, and it made me know, without even knowing much about dentistry, that this was the school for me, because if it graduated alums with that type of caliber in the clinic, that's where I wanted to be. I think here, more than ever in my education, I feel that the professors treat us with the respect of a colleague instead of like a student who's trying to learn from a professor. They're very open-minded, and I think that's sort of the general feeling here, is that everyone, really is part of a team. And that's my favorite part about Tufts, because when you're in a clinic, when you're down here in Merritt trying to learn something, you have a professor that not only wants to teach you, but also wants to learn from you and wants you to actively ask questions. Tufts really makes me feel like I'm part of a family. It makes me feel like I'm part of a greater good. I feel like I'm part of a student community, I'm part of a faculty community, and we all really interact on a really great level. But I know that when I'm settled and when I have a practice, a lot of what has made me successful will be the clinical experience I learned at Tufts, will be the networking that I learned at Tufts, and I will owe that back to the school.